If you like this video and you want to see more of it, click subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a message down below. And share this with anybody you feel would get some value of it, whether they're thinking about moving to the area or moving somewhere different in the area, because I'm going to show you everything Polk County has to offer. What's up, my friends? This is Big George, and we're here today to look at the Edison. That's a 2-story, 5-bedroom home, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage with 2,112 square foot. It's a great home, part of our new key collection, and I can't wait to turn the camera around and show you it. So let's just do that. And if you're wondering who I am, my name's Big George. I'm your Lennar New Home Consultant in the Polk County area. I've sold hundreds of homes in this area. I live in this area. I know where all the good spots to eat are. And I can't wait to have the opportunity to help you find your new home in the right community with the right place. So let's turn this camera around and check it out. So how did you like that, folks? This is the Edison, a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,112 square foot, 2-story home with a 2-car garage. Another one of our key collections, as I said before. This is in all of South Polk County, this home. If you'd like to come see a home like this, give Big George a call. I'd love to help you find the right home in the right community. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.